This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Where's Joker? Welcome back to another video, guys. It's your boy, Batman.
What the fuck?
As you can see, we got the one and only Batmobile, 392 wide-body BBL Batmobile, whatever you want to call it. Now that you're watching this video right now, I need y'all to stay tuned to the end of the video, like, comment, and subscribe, because we're going to take over Gotham City. Follow me real quick while I give you guys a little walk around of the tanning. We got the lights going crazy, it's all blacked out, BBL, as you guys can see, but we're not here for that. We got to go find Joker in Gotham City. Make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video, and let's get to it.
For GSP, I'm running around and straight that bitch getting left at the light. Fuck all them cops, niggas ain't never outside them pussy ass niggas.
Alright, y'all, let's start this bad boy up. That's what we like to see right there. If you guys don't already know, Batman will be taking over Gotham City. Make sure y'all stay tuned to the end, like I said before. Comment, like, and subscribe for your boy. Repost on your story. And also, happy Halloween. Let's get started. Y'all know Batman has to start it off with the pool real quick. Ew, that thing sound nasty, y'all. We are not in Gotham City yet. For those who are wondering, we are on our way to Gotham City. So stay tuned, y'all, because this video is nowhere near done yet. Y'all know we in that track mode too, man. Track mode, of course. Let me know what y'all think about the POV drives, man. Do y'all like them or not, man? I'll stop making these if you want me to. I personally think they're fire. A lot of y'all voted that y'all like to see them, so I'm gonna turn y'all up with the POVs for the next couple videos. Other than that, hopefully y'all can see everything. It is currently 9:36 on Halloween night. Police. We are 4 minutes into this video. If you have not smashed that like button yet, smash that thing. What are you doing? I need 100K likes on this video. It's crazy, y'all. Am I tripping? Or am I the only one who has not seen anyone dressed up for Halloween this year? I don't know what's going on. I haven't seen no kids trick-or-treating. I haven't seen nobody like outside at all. Like, I feel like I'm the only guy in the costume right now. And I haven't dropped a video in a week and a half. So this video is going up there for y'all, man. So y'all have to smash the like button. Batman is on his way to Gotham City. We're still not in Gotham City. We're running into traffic at 9 o'clock at night. I swear they put stop signs in the most weirdest areas, bro. Guys, I think we just saw Mikael Myers. And there it is, guys. Gotham City. Right in front of us. Not gonna lie, y'all, my car smells like gas extremely bad. If y'all know what the problem is, let me know in the comment section below. But this is bad. Like, I'm over here like quiet, trying to really like make sure I'm not tripping, but I really smell it. Like, it smells like straight gas. I don't know if I have an exhaust leak or what it could be. I don't know. I really don't know. But help me out if you know what it is. God, this jump's so loud. We're gonna record for a couple more minutes, guys. It's getting a little late right now. But as you can see, we are in Gotham City. Gotham City. We're taking over, man. We're taking over the city right now. But if you haven't liked the video yet, make sure you like the video, comment, and subscribe. him, I need an alignment, guys. The steering wheel's like to the left. If you know how to do alignments in the DMV area, let me know. For a low car specifically. There's a lot of shops they can do them, but not for low cars. So. Give you guys a couple more pulls and then we're gonna end this video. This gas smell is really making my head hurt. Give you guys one more pull, man. Let's get it. If you guys enjoyed this video, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Get your boy to 50,000 subscribers and Batman will get a Hellcat. The actual Batmobile. Hit that bell as well so you know when I'm dropping them banger videos. But it's your boy, Batman, or lorShift, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next banger video. Stay tuned. Boom!